payable account and then open item we created, we paid.
Yes.
Correct? Same way, vendor invoices are also open items. So whenever I am purchasing, an open item is created. And when I pay, it is clear. So when open item is created means what? I have a responsibility on my head to pay it. So I have to clear it, or one day or the other I have to clear it. Correct? So that is what. So whenever I collect the money from the vendor, suppose one employee is there, right? I have to pay 1 lakh salary to him, but because the TDS is applicable, I paid him only 95,000. So that 5,000 I am deducting as a TDS. That 5,000 will go to this account. And I cannot keep it in my pocket, this 5,000, because whose money it is?
Government.
So I have to pay to government. Correct? When I should pay before 7th of next pay. Correct. So within 1 month it is getting cleared. So can I have balance in this account permanently?
No.
No. See other accounts like normal accounts, we have no share capital account. No share capital account, can I have balance? Can I have balance forever?
Yes, of course.
Bank account is there. Can I have balance forever?
Yes,
But this account, can I have balance forever?
No.
Right? So the money should come. It should come. Go. So every credit as a debit. Correct. That is what is open item. Open item created. Open item cleared. Open item created. Open item cleared. Correct. Got the concept?
Yes.
So that's why.
Payable account. Simply payable account. You call open item.
No, you cannot say that because yes, got it? So many cases, right? So you cannot say just payable. Okay?
But what is the difference between line item and open item?
Line item is a transaction.
Only
Okay,
transaction.
like rent, okay, so I will say line item, right? See, a transaction is first of all, there is a transaction. In the transaction, you have the line item. Okay, let me tell you. See, suppose we are paying wages account is, or else I'll say rent account is debited to bank account is credited. Correct? Yeah. So this is each line is a line item here, right? This is line 1, this is line 2.
Okay.
Correct? That's the line item. Line item 1, line item 2 in the document. Correct?
Okay.
Right. So here there is no open item, no? No open item.
Documents will have many transactions. Transaction will have many line items. Right, sir?
A document and transaction both are same. A document and transaction both are same. In the transaction or document, you have the line item. Got it? A document. So if you post a transaction, you will get a document. Simple. You cannot have a document before posting a transaction. Correct? When you post a transaction, you will get a document. Both are same. Correct. But inside the document, you have the line items. You may have 10 line items also, right? Rent, wages, insurance, 2 banks. Each line is a line item. Okay. Good. Any other doubts? So nobody will go this depth, so line item, nobody will have the clarity, like line item, transaction, they think it is same, but it's not so. A transaction contains line item. Correct? Yeah. Okay. Now let us create this account. Now this account is what type of account it is? It's a normal account or open item account? Open item. Okay, let's create that. Now /n FSW.
Open item account.
Yeah. Okay, so now you click on the create option. Okay? Yeah, so let me copy it. If I have it here, I have one company. Yes, we have. Let me copy it from here. and create in our company code, that is CE. Okay, note down everybody.
Sir, can you show me the ones?
Yeah, note down. I am not yet created. I am creating. You note down the parameters of this icon. Note down. Liabilities, balance sheet, TDS on contractors account. See, why I am not creating TDS on salary?
Already someone
Already created.
No, it will be done by the HRC.
It will be done by a HR consultant. Payroll module, yeah. We don't do it. That's why you need to be careful, right? Don't talk about TDS on salary. Yeah, don't talk.
But both are same or different?
Both are, see, TDS on salaries have many other tax are there, right? We have to take care of so many things. Okay, so that's why it is better taken care by the HR people. Other TDS we will take care.
Sir, your contractors means who, sir?
Contractors means you have contractors, subcontractors. You will get the job done by them and you will pay them, correct?
Service contract.
Service contract.
Sir, hello?
Yes.
How about this case? 1,30,000
You will click create and then give the number 1,30,000, give the company code and you create that. And you go to
Sir, TDS on contractors is the recipient contract.
Yes, recipient type is company, na? It's a company. Contractor is nothing but it's a company, registered company. Okay? Control data, not on INR, balance, open item management. Open item management. Then 001. Then create bank interest deposit noted everybody. Then create bank interest as G001. Save option.
Copy ledger from one company to another company. Just now
Yes.
you did not.
Yes. Yes.
So you copied same account from one company to another company code.
Yes, you can copy. Yes.
Sir, we still have contractors from other countries, just like vendors. Then why do they select that only in local currency?
Contractors from other countries.
Yes.
Okay.
But which you selected the only balance in local currency.
So you are taking a service from a foreign vendor, huh?
Okay.
Yeah? Still the TDS will be applicable, right?
Yes, sir.
TDS will apply, right? So that part, whatever has to be deducted, has to be deducted.
Sir, relevant expenses account also needs to be created, sir.
Relevant to expenses. Which one?
The construction expenses also needs to be booked.
So this is not construction, right? Contractor does not mean only construction, right? Several other business partners, basically. Okay? Not just only construction. Contract does not mean only construction. There are other business partners. So whatever is your business, Tesla Energy is there now. So for Tesla Energy, we have the subcontractors, right? So they are doing the job contracts or service contracts to you, you are paying to them.
What type of Sir, I'm asking about the counter expenses, sir.
You can have. So here, because we have maintained only, probably we maintained, what maintained? We maintained, I think advertising. Yes, you need to maintain that expense, service expense, whatever is the service related to that contract. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Now control data, INR only balances, open item, line item, create bank interest G001. Okay, then we have created this account. Now next what you have to do after you create the account, what is that you do every time?
We have to assign it.
Correct. Assign the account for what? For automatic post or account determination. Both are same. Yeah. This I will show you the path. Right? There is a path. So I am going like this, /SPRO, then reference IMC, then you go to financial accounting global settings, withholding tax, extended withholding tax, then you go to postings. Here accounts for withholding tax. Define accounts for withholding tax to be paid over. Yeah, note down everything. Note down the path. Note down the path. Okay, note down everybody. Noted.
Confusion, sir. Please, can you written on notepad, sir? Please.
Which one?
Starting onwards, sir.
Is path,
Yes, sir.
Fine, yeah. Better to take screenshots or numbers.
Yeah, so if I write, say one step we can cover in 1 hour.
We need to consider touch line settings, right? Calculating. When we complete. Better try. No, sir.
Yes, so here financial accounting global settings, withholding tax, extended withholding tax, posting, accounts for withholding tax, define accounts for withholding tax to be paid over.
Just see the down arrow. That's the path.
Click on it. Done.
Which step, sir? 15?
Step number 15 it is, yes. Okay. Okay, let us go now. Accounts, right? Click on it. Okay, what is my chart of accounts? TCA. Is it correct? Yes. You see, extended withholding tax, right? And you click on the save option. Click on the save option. So when you click on the save option, it will show you the account option. Yeah. Yes, this is the account. Yeah. Here I will mention my account. What is my account number?
1,30,000.
1,30,000. Correct. This is the account. Okay. Note down everybody. So we have created the account. We have assigned the account. Correct. Okay.
You got 10 seconds to take this call.